Let's turn your powerful Tableau dashboards into ready-to-share Excel reports in just minutes. This is KRAG by Kriverra. It's here to completely automate that final tedious reporting step.
You know the feeling, right? The business asks for Excel, and suddenly everything just stops.
It always starts here, a raw, messy data dump that's going to take hours to clean up. And then comes the grind, endless formatting and copying, so much valuable time wasted every single month. So let's step back. What does your team actually need to deliver results? They need accurate branded reports right from Tableau, but without that manual headache. And that's exactly where KRAG comes in. It's the smart bridge you've been missing. I mean, just look at the difference. You go from raw data to a polished, ready-to-go report instantly. How does it work? Well, it's simple. KRAG grabs the data, structures it, and builds the report. Just imagine one-click automation for your key reports. It's secure, reliable, and requires no rework. So are you ready to stop the grind and finally get your time back? Book a quick 15-minute demo. You'll get way faster reporting with zero manual effort.